Hey everybody, Scott Burnett, welcome to the channel. Today we have an unboxing. Pretty excited about this. And I've got servers and I've got external hard drives and hard drives on PCs and laptops and whatnot, and I'm always playing with something, so I need something that's always there. So I've ordered a Synology NAS, a 918 Plus. It's a 4-bay NAS. And a couple of 4 terabyte hard drives, and I've got some more hard drives I'm going to add to it. So we're going to unbox that and see what we got. Y'all stay with us. Okay, I got this box. Let me make sure I can see it with the camera. Yeah, pretty close. Get the trusty knife out. All right, nothing to say here. But they always come double boxed. And I have a Synology disk station. .918 Plus. See if y'all can see that. Let me zoom in on it there so we can see what we're looking at. All right. Okay, so we got the 4-bay NAS, the Plus series. It's got a quad-core CPU. It supports 2 NVMe drives for caching. Transcoding for video files. Cloud, anywhere access, multimedia. Okay, it's got a status indicator, disk indicators, the locks, USB ports, power button and fan. It has SATA port for extending, another USB port on the back, the Kensington lock, and 2 gigabit LAN ports that you can bond together. So that's pretty cool. So we'll open this thing up now. Says to register at Synology.com. I'll be sure to do that. Okay, we got a power cable. Lord, that was loud. Okay. Alright, I have a quick install guide. Box of screws, a pack of screws for the hard drives. Got a power brick. Got 2 RJ45 Ethernet cables. Then I got the keys for the little drive bays. Very well protected. Set this out of the way. We'll unwrap it here. Alright, I have the 4 drive bays. They're locked, a power button, USB, all the indicator lights. Got 2 big fans, USB port, eSATA power, and 2 gigabit Ethernet. Then on the bottom it has 2 NVMe SSD drive bays. Now you take this out. Hopefully you can see this. was mistaken. There we go. I just wasn't doing it right. You have the drive bays that go in and out, and it's got these little plastic retaining clips on each side that a hard drive goes in. We will populate those shortly. Very cool. And I'll find a place in here for that. Alright. Let's see what else I got. Let's see if I can even see that in the camera right now. Yep, okay. I got this other Amazonian package. Let's make sure I got what I ordered. There is a 4 terabyte Western Digital red drive. It's a NAS drive. Got 2 of those. This will be for video storage right now, and then I've got 2 terabytes for our Plex video and time machine backups and whatnot. So there's 2 4 terabyte drives. Anyway, there's the unboxing of the Synology NAS. Second video will be setting this up with 4 drives in a Synology hybrid RAID, and setting up some shared folders and Plex media server and whatever else that we have on the server that's down below here. So we can repurpose this guy now. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you like this. If you leave me a comment if you want to. Anyway, I've enjoyed doing this, and I hope you're enjoying watching it. Y'all have a great Saturday, and we're gone.